Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, we're going to talk about a common issue that many TCL Smart TV users encounter: how to reset your TCL Smart TV. Resetting your TCL Smart TV can solve various problems like freezing, lagging, or even software glitches. So, let's jump right into it. First, grab your TV remote. The process may slightly vary depending on your model, but generally, you'll find the reset option in the settings menu. Press the menu button on your remote to bring up the main menu. Then, navigate to the settings option using the arrow keys. Once you're in the settings menu, look for the system or advanced settings option. Again, this may vary depending on your TV model. Now, scroll down until you find the factory reset or reset option. This is the magic button that will wipe the slate clean and restore your TV to its original settings. Once you've located the reset option, you might be asked to enter a PIN or confirm your choice. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Before you hit that reset button, remember that this will erase all your personalized settings, apps, and data. So, make sure to back up anything important beforehand. Finally, confirm your choice to reset the TV. Sit back and relax as your TCL Smart TV goes through the reset process. It may take a few minutes. Conclusion. And there you have it. Your TCL Smart TV is now reset to its factory settings. You can set it up again just like when you first bought it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.